How to half swipe on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to half swipe on Snapchat. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and search for Snapchat and make sure your Snapchat application is updated to its latest version for the app to perform smoothly. Now go ahead and open the Snapchat application and make sure you are signed in and then go to the chat section. Now select the conversation you want to half swipe on and start by placing your finger on the Bitmoji of the conversation and then start swiping right until your finger reaches the right bezel of your device, and from here make sure that you do not drop your finger and you can check the messages or peek through the messages now. As you can see, if you release the conversation back to where it was, the sender will never know that you have opened the conversation and read the messages, as the seen status will not show. However, if you swipe through the messages when the individual is in the chat, then they will know that you are viewing the chat, as your Bitmoji will appear right above the chat text box. And this is how you can half swipe on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.